Now we will see what is the move and copy command. This body we created in our previous lecture. So we will try to move and we will see. First we will delete this one. Go to insert, feature, delete. And select this part already. Select OK. Now here two bodies. Now we will move and copy. So just go to insert, feature, and there is the command move copy. Select move copy. Select one part body to move. Now this part we selected. Now click here, translate and rotate. See, a window came here. It will show you the rotational XYZ axis, this all directions. You can see, you can put that directly here also. So uncheck this copy. We just want to move, not copy. So we will just do one thing, just drag this arrow. Now see, it is moving from its position. Select OK. Now see, it is moved from its position. So this is move command. If you want to copy, you can copy also. Just insert feature, move command. And select this part, choose a copy. And drag a part here, select OK. See, it is copy. Now we will see one more command, and we will see we will just rotate it. We will select this body and we will rotate this component some angle, not more. Okay, see, it is moved. So this is called move and copy command. How we will do it? It is very easy and simple command. I hope you like it.